Darul Huda Academy is holding an international Quran Tajweed contest. This contest is an online educational competition which aims to enhance today's generation by strengthening their connection to the Holy Quran. The contest is divided into four categories to cater to Quran students of different levels and ages. You can join in 3 easy steps. Choose a surah from your category and record yourself reading it with Tajweed. Ensure your video does not exceed 3 minutes. Submit your video and registration on our website before the 15th of December 2020. Prepare yourself to attend an online live event on the 31st of December 2020. The acceptance criteria: 1. Should not exceed age limit of respective category. 2. Should be registered as a student in one of the Quran centers. 3. Should have access to the internet if he or she reaches the finals. 4. Should be able to record 3 minutes video of his or her Quran reading only. No introduction required in the video. 5. The participant will be judged according to their Tajweed level. 6. The top 30 participants will be announced on the 15th of December on Darul Huda Academy website. The finals will be conducted live on Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube on the 31st of December 2020, 16 Jumada al-Ula 1442. Finally, a prize giving ceremony will be held on the same day to announce the winners.